David's going to take a break. Miss Tara Tesher is here with something brand new from Temp-tations. You were all talking about it in the chat. You're going to love this. It is a gift set of these 4 mini oven mitts. You get 4 mitts, you get 4 gift boxes with the to and from tag, but they're perfect for all the countertop ovens that we are using, or air fryers, and we love them because we brought them in brights, seasonals, and our beautiful basic colors. And guess what? You loved these in the past. You brought these in last year.
This time last year.
They flew out the door.
Yes, they did.
But this year's version are bigger.
We supersized them, which was some of the feedback that we received from all of you. So this is the mitt you've been receiving in the past. That's also included in some of our collections. This is now the mitt you're receiving this year. So much bigger size, which is great, especially for the guys that want to go in and out of the oven. But as Stacy mentioned, silicone on the front, silicone on the back, that terry cloth material you love on the inside. Put them right in the washing machine when you want to go ahead and wash them. Just air dry them because of the silicone. As Stacy mentioned, we did them in 3 different offers, starting with our seasonal.
Okay, and before we go through the offers, I just want to say, if you want to jump ahead of the line and get these in before these fly out the door, go to QVC.com or use your apps on your mobile devices. We are super, super busy. Okay, seasonal already most limited.
All right, so here's our seasonal. We have our patriotic. You have the box that coordinates back to it. We have our egg hunt. That's done in that beautiful hot pink. There's the coordinating gift box. We have your shamrock. These are not a choice of. You're getting all 4 seasons. And then we have your romance with, of course, the red gift box. That's what we're calling our seasonal.
8 oven mitts, technically.
Incredible.
But in a set of 4, because you're going to use 2 at a time. Okay, so they're a seasonal, most limited.
Then we have what we call our classic. This mixes and matches your old world and your floral lace in the solid color. So we have your red with the coordinating box, your green with the coordinating box, your black with the coordinating box, your blue with the coordinating box. Exactly what Stacy just said. 8 different mitts that you can coordinate and gift as well.
And I believe in our system we call that basic.
We do call it basic.
Okay, awesome. Yes. And then finally the brights.
The brights, I love this. So if you love your tangerines, your lime greens, your hot pinks, and your teals, we don't carry these colors that often, but we wanted to incorporate them because we know many of you decorate your kitchen and love that color combo.
K49511, brand new today. These are in 6 easy payments. It comes home to you for $5.29, already 200 sets spoken for. And I have to tell you, you'll only be able to find these at QVC. You can't find them on Tara's website.
So here's what I love. I love the versatility of just being able to slip my hands right in here. No right hand, no left hand. It doesn't matter. Silicone gives me that non-slip grip. So when I'm going for things like my enamel on steel and I'm going to be draining my pasta, I want to make sure I have a nice grip on this. And I certainly do, Stacy. So I can go ahead and bring this right over here. Dump that right out and drain that, and I did it all with my mitts. If I want to go ahead and put my mitt down, I can now use it as a trivet. So again, everything you love about our glove systems, our mitt systems, our knit systems, this is that knit with the silicone that gives you the versatility in your kitchen.
Right here, this is what I also love
this.
It is your jar opener for those sticky jars, those caps. You don't have to bother your husband, pull him away from the game to come in and open up your jar. No, you don't have to irritate him. You can do it easily yourself. Right here, you're seeing the basic set, the 4 gift boxes, how you could gift them. Tara's always very clever. I can tell you this color set, most popular, 500 sets now ordered.
You're going to love it. I'm telling you, they're larger, which is so great. I have a really small hand, and you can see how easy that fits in. But I love what Stacy was saying about the jar opening. That's why we did the silicone on the front and the back, so that you can easily open things. But take a walk with me over here, because I want to show you when we're going into our Oster. It could be a regular oven, but we happen to be here. I love the fact that my hand is completely protected. I love that I can reach in here and pull the rack out if I wanted to using my mitt. The versatility, I'm going to scoot right in front, just being able to grab it and not be worried about bumping into anything. And then, as I mentioned, bringing it right to the table, and that mitt that I just used, that I took this baker out of the oven, now becomes my trivet for on the table. So these are those buddies in your kitchen that you are going to use day in and day out. And if you're thinking about breaking them apart, what did we say, little $8 a gift? Less than $8 a gift.
You know what I'll do? If you include the shipping and handling, it's $9.
Love that.
Okay, $9 a gift, 4 gifts that are really easy. I want to go through the colors. 700 orders have been placed. Again, they flew out the door last year. They're back bigger, softer than ever. And guess what? You get spaghetti sauce, you get gravy on this. You throw them in the washing machine.
You're absolutely right. And then just air dry them because of that silicone here. So about this time last year, we participated in this break apart gift concept. And you love this and love the fact that we were able to do it in our seasonal, which we don't always offer. So you will receive all all 4. You'll receive the patriotic in the blue, the egg hunt in the pink, the shamrock in the green, and the romance in the red. Keep them, gift them. They all have a coordinated box with the to and from.
All right.
Then we have what we're calling our basic. You all know this as our classic, where we mix the old world and the floral lace. There's your red, your green, your black, and your blue. If you've been picking up even maybe the soup mugs, these coordinate back to that exact same look. And then I love the brights. We very rarely do our tangerines, our lime greens, our hot pinks, and our teals. We did it because we know many of you love to gift these colors this time of year.
Over 1,000 now spoken for. Remember, if you order with a credit card, you can get these home right away, but pay over time. That's what we call easy pay. And your first payment to get them home, $5.29. You're buying these as a gift? Stress-free. We have our holiday return policy in effect the end of January of next year. I would pick up more of a couple sets even just for you. Maybe you're basics. You want it to go with your Temptations dishes that you have. Maybe you do, the blue, or you do the green in Old World. But then you also want to get the brights, because when springtime comes around, it's nice to have those lime greens, the pinks, that turquoise blue for summertime when you're serving the fruit salads and different things. It's nice to switch these out. You get longer longevity, but these are durable. They're super soft on the inside, and they're great for going into a hot oven.
Yes.
You're fully protected.
Fully protected,
whether
which
it's the
I love.
full-size oven or
Yeah.
it's the countertop.
Absolutely. And again, this is what makes the going in and out of the oven with Temptations so easy, because not only do you have that great, I could take a boiling tea kettle and put it on my hand. I can slide under here. There's no heat transfer. And the best part is then the mitts, and now because they're oversized, which was what you loved, that actually becomes the trivet when you take it out. So now you don't need any carriers. You don't have to worry about your hardwoods or your linens. So whether you're in your microwave and you have that beautiful soup bowl, whether you're in your Oster oven, anywhere you want to take it, these are the pieces in your kitchen you're going to want.
Absolutely adorable. We had these bowls on earlier. If you missed them and are just joining us, you can check them out on QVC.com or shop what was on earlier in the show. We got to go through
All right,
the
let's
collection
do it.
again. 1,600 now spoken
Thank
for.
you,
Remember,
everybody.
this was the size of the original. This is the size of this year's version, so even your husband's hands can use these. All right, here are starting with the seasonals.
Seasonal. So you have your patriotic. I love what Stacey was saying. You can swap it out and now just brighten up your kitchen for the holidays. Here's your egg hunt for your Easter. There's your shamrock, and there, of course, is your romance. Maybe you want to keep those and gift the rest. Here's what we are calling our
Basics.
basics. I always call them classic because it mixes our two patterns of Old World and floral lace. There's your red, your green, your black, and your blue. And then at the very end, love
the bright.
We have the bright.
Which this is very autumnal right now,
It is
right?
actually.
Matching
Even though
my
it's more
sweater.
of a little tangerine, it still reads orange, which is nice. Lime green, of course, your hot pink, and then your teal that you see there.
Again, set of 2 for each per box. Think about what you'd spend for a box, for a little card, for gift tags. All that stuff adds up. You're getting everything that you need on an easy pay of $5.29.
Amazing.
Tara Tesher, thank you so much.
to see you.
Brand
Great to
new
be here.
stuff. We
Thank
love
you.
it.